every job is going to impact with the generative AI skills. Hands-on learning అనేది యూజింగ్ జనరేటివ్ AI టూల్స్ వాడుకొని మీ కెరియర్స్ మీ ప్రొఫెషన్స్లో ఎలా పెర్ఫామ్ చేయాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో జెన్ యూనివర్సిటీ స్టార్ట్ అయింది.
There are the three inventions we have really enjoyed, and today crowd is really special because generative AI is the fourth amazing invention. Most probably the hackathons, this is the first of its kind in Hyderabad because we are encouraging all the students to learn what is really required for the future.
గవర్నమెంట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ రాబోయే 5 years 10 years అనేది ఒక గోల్డెన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ మనకు ఉంది. ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ మార్కెట్స్ కానీ, ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎకానమీ కానీ, వాటన్నిటి చూసుకుంటే మిమ్మల్ని మీరు ఎక్విప్ చేసుకొని అందరికంటే ఒక అడుగు ముందులో పెట్టుకున్నారంటే ఒక మంచి జాబ్ రావడానికి, ఒక మంచి కెరీర్ సెటిల్ అవ్వడానికి చాలా మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీలు మీకు ఉన్నారు.
I have the power to just turn off one switch and to 2 or 3 countries insurance apps go down in just a second. So that's how critical is the product what I build and maintain. So coming to the generative AI part, so in my day-to-day life I have been using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, anything for that matter for the past 2 years now.
Foundation Chairman, Global CEO. Let's welcome with a big round of applause.
The vision behind a Gen AI University is very simple. The future of employment is going to be Gen AI based. By 2030, 50% of the existing jobs are going to go away. By 2030, India is going to be in a leading role in AI and AI based implementation.
AI is not only changing the way industries are working, but it is kind of creating a change how businesses are created, grown and scaled. Whoever is using AI, they should use it more ethically, reliably and inclusively.
So try to understand as part of this journey so that you all can become good AI engineers going forward. Creating such platform for all the students. At our age we could not get all these opportunities.
Only college grads built this, took it from dormant to the production and actually users are using this. This is your potential.
And I said that, hey, you know what, I still have the BRD of what I was building about 11 years ago. Let me try to wipe code it. 11 years ago, what took 6 months and 15 engineers to build it got completed in 3 hours. 3 hours by simply wipe coding it on Replit and a little bit of cursor.
The good news is Superviti has given 6 offers for placement and 4 offers for the internship.
Good, they experienced it very well and it is one of the best hackathon I have ever participated in. I want to thank the organizers.
It was great to work in Gen AI University and I got a good experience from this hackathon.
Accommodations and all the things that provided by Gen AI University is very good. Enjoyed and loved working on this.
Till now I done 3 hackathons. This is the best one and there is a good mentorship, like a friendly communication.
It was very good experience for me after coming to this hackathon and which made me one of my best hackathons which I have attended.
It's very good and the faculty and all members of the Gen AI University were very good and polite.
This is the best, I think so. Lots of experience. Every coordinator has did very well for us.